Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your order status on your Home Depot account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in homedepot.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Home Depot website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password or through your verification method. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to check your order and its status, then scroll all the way down and you will see the check order status underneath customer service. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be asked to enter your order number from which you can track your order. You can either enter this number or if you have logged into your account, you will directly be taken into your order history. Just enter your tracking number or your order number and then click on the track order button. Once you click on this button, you will see the status of your delivery and you will also find the date by which you can expect it to arrive at your doorstep. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to check your order status on Home Depot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.